house together, and now this week it is time to organise and clean those spaces that I left in a great big train wreck. Of course, we're going to be using some of these baskets, we're going to be reusing things that we've already got, but let's just get straight into it. This is what we're starting with. This is Nova's cupboard, which can get smelly and messy pretty quickly. Having it clean and organised helps to keep a little more order in our home, and I find baskets work so well. I also want to create a shower basket for Nova just so that her bath items are easily accessible when we need them. So the top shelf is now done. This is her shower basket, and then just to deal with this. So then I've used these two beige baskets. So this one is for treats, fully aware that that is completely ridiculous. And this one is for more of her like brain games and things to keep her occupied. Oh, hello. So it is wonderful news that this section is now sorted. However, last week during that declutter, this was equally kept in terrible disarray afterwards, and it needs a very good clean, really good sort out. We're going to hopefully utilise some of these baskets a whole lot more and generally just have it restocked, ready to go. Personally, I find getting everything out of the cupboard, wiping the shelves down so that they can be drying whilst everything else gets sorted out, rearranged, really helps you to keep on track with what you have and when you need to stock up. And also it gives you a really good reminder of where it is for when you actually need it. Found a hammer with the toilet roll. I'm pretty sure they don't go together. And here we are. How much nicer is this? I was really hoping that for down here, excuse that, I need to still clean up the floor, but that down here I was going to be able to stack some clear ones, but totally didn't realise like these boxes. Honestly, if you don't use baskets for storing some items, especially if you're in an awkward space, like this here is quite an awkward space, so it just helps to get in, get what we need out. And also, like, how many toilet blocks do I think we need in this house? It's absolute insanity. And this is your reminder, if you've got a space that just needs a little bit of TLC, even if you've only got 5 minutes to put to it, just go do it, because you're going to feel so much better for it. It doesn't need to be an all singing, all dancing task. Anything that is just going to help you breathe slightly better and crack on with your day. I'm pretty disgusted at myself for this drawer. A long overdue clean and declutter is very much needed, as you can see. I love this knife block as it's a great way to keep our knives organised, but it does need some TLC and a really good scrub. And how much better does this look? It's literally taken me about 5 minutes. I don't know why I've put it off for so long. So something that I haven't done since doing the declutter is actually quite embarrassing, but it is the fact that I have not yet sorted out everything into piles, which, you guessed it, means I have done absolutely nothing with any of this stuff in front of me. So I thought we would get it into piles together. So I'm thinking a sell, donate and bin pile. Let's see how we get on. Okay, so now it's all into piles. We've got the dreaded sell, bin and donate. The fact that I have something that is completely unopened worries me, but never mind. You live and learn. I won't do it again. So let's get this room tidy and sorted. We have this bike out here because Tom is hopefully going to fix it for me so I can get back on to the bike. But other than that, I've got no excuse for this mess. So let's get it tidy. I wanted to give the living room a little spruce, as I don't know about you, but when this space is cluttered and messy, it can really impact my mood, especially when I'm walking by it or, God forbid, chilling in it. And of course, I gave the coffee table a quick damp dust to make sure I was catching those dog hairs too. After that, I quickly moved on to completing another job I had been putting off all week after the declutter. Honestly, it's like I prolong doing these things for no reason at all. That was popping some books back into the cabinet where I probably won't use them for another 6 months, and they will reappear and remind me that they exist when I do another declutter. I think that's my cue to end today's video because somebody is waiting for her Bluey. She's been very good about it, to be fair, so I don't think I should make her wait any longer. But as always, if you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I shall see you in the next one.